Welcome back to the Bloody Real, you lot. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of flax seeds, a tiny powerhouse that can make a massive difference in your life. We're talking weight loss, glowing skin, luscious hair, the whole bloody package. We'll be exploring how to use these little wonders effectively, whipping up some delicious recipes that'll make you wonder why you haven't added flax seeds to your diet before. But hold your horses. Like any good, and trust me, we'll cover those too. Look the bloody secrets of flax seeds together. Listen up, you Muppets. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, weight loss. You want to shed those extra pounds, feel lighter, and regain control of your body. Well, let me tell you, flax seeds can be your bloody secret weapon in this battle. First off, these tiny seeds are packed with fiber. And I'm not talking about the sad, limp kind you find in some processed crap. Flax seeds are bursting with the good stuff, the kind that keep to stuff your face with unhealthy snacks between meals. Think of it this way. Fiber is like the bouncer at the door of your stomach, controlling what gets in and how much. It slows down digestion, preventing those dreaded blood sugar spikes that leave you craving sugar. But wait, there's more. Machine. It's like adding fuel to the fire. Now, I'm not saying you can eat a mountain of burgers and fries and expect flax seeds to magically melt the pounds away. That's just bollocks. But incorporate them into a balanced diet, and you'll notice a difference. You'll feel lighter, more energized, and ready to tackle those cravings head on. Remember, this isn't about deprivation. And you'll be amazed at the results. Don't just take my word for it. Try adding a tablespoon or two to your yogurt, smoothies, or even sprinkle them on your salads. You can also grind them into a meal and add them to your baking. Trust me, the nutty flavor will be a welcome addition to your dishes. Feeds into your mouth. You might end up with a bellyache that'll make you wish you had listened to me. Start with a teaspoon or two. Sponges, absorbing water and expanding in your digestion. Ignore this advice and you'll be begging for mercy. Now go on, get cracking and let those flax seeds work their magic. Right, you lot, listen up. We've tackled the weight loss front, but let's not forget about those other important bits, your skin and hair. You want that radiant glow, the kind that makes people stop and stare. And let's be honest, who doesn't want luscious locks that would make a shampoo commercial jealous? Well, my friends, flax seeds are about to become your new best friend in the quest for beauty. You see, these tiny powerhouses are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the good kind of fat that your body craves. Think of omega-3 ES as the internal moisturizer, keeping your skin plump, hydrated, and glowing from within. They help maintain the skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture and keeping those nasty wrinkles and fine lines at bay. And it doesn't stop there. Flax seeds are also loaded with antioxidants, those little warriors that fight off free radicals, the nasty buggers responsible for premature aging and damage. It's like having an army of tiny superheroes protecting your skin from the inside out, keeping it healthy, vibrant, and full of life. But hold on, we're not done yet. Remember those luscious locks I mentioned earlier? Well, flax seeds play a vital role in that department too. The omega-3s and antioxidants work their magic on your scalp, nourishing hair follicles and promoting healthy hair growth. Say goodbye to dry, brittle strands and hello to strong, shiny hair that turns heads wherever you go. Now I know what you're thinking, Gordon. How do I incorporate these miracle seeds into my beauty routine? Fear not, you cheeky devils. It's easier than you think. First, keep up with the consumption. Adding flax seeds to your diet will benefit your skin and hair from the inside out. But if you fancy a more direct approach, you can also use flaxseed oil topically. Gently massage a few drops onto your face and neck before bedtime. and let those omega-3s work their magic overnight. You'll wake up with skin so soft and supple, you'll wonder why you haven't tried this sooner. And for your hair, mix a tablespoon of flaxseed oil with your conditioner or use it as a hair mask once a week. Leave it on for about 10-15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes in the texture and shine of your hair. So, there you have it. Flax seeds are not only a powerhouse for weight loss, but also a secret weapon for achieving that radiant glow and those luscious locks you've always dreamed of. All right, you lot, enough with the science lesson. Let's get down to the bloody good part, the food. I know what you're thinking. Gordon, I'm not a Michelin star chef. How am I supposed to incorporate flax seeds into my daily diet? Well, fear not, you culinary disasters. These recipes are so easy. Even a donkey could master them. First up, we've got the classic breakfast smoothie. Now, I'm not talking about those sugary concoctions that leave you feeling sluggish and bloated. We're talking about a powerhouse of nutrients that will kickstart your day and keep you feeling full and energized for hours. Simply chuck a handful of spinach, a banana, some berries, a dollop of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of flax seeds, and a splash of almond milk into a blender. Blitz it until smooth, and there you have it. A delicious and nutritious breakfast in a glass. You can even add a scoop of protein powder if you're feeling extra adventurous. Next on the menu, we've got the humble bowl of oatmeal. Doesn't have to be bland and boring. In fact, with a few simple additions, it can be a culinary masterpiece. While your oatmeal is cooking, stir in a tablespoon of flax seeds and let them simmer for a few minutes. The flax seeds will soften and release their nutty flavor, adding a delicious depth to your breakfast. Top it with some fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of nuts for added crunch and flavor. Trust me, this is not your grandma's oatmeal. And finally, for those times when you need a savory snack, let's whip up some flaxseed crackers. These little beauties are surprisingly easy to make and are perfect for dipping into hummus, guacamole, or your favorite salsa. Simply combine a cup of ground flax seeds, half a cup of water, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Mix it all up, spread it thinly on a baking sheet, and bake for about 15-20 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. Once cool, break them into cracker-sized pieces, and there you have it. A healthy and delicious snack that will satisfy your cravings without derailing your diet. So there you have it, you lot. 3 easy, delicious, and nutritious recipes that will help you incorporate flax seeds into your daily diet and reap their incredible health benefits. Now stop making excuses and get cooking. We've explored the ins and outs of flax seeds. Big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more delicious and informative content. Hit that